All of you, good morning. Today class is Heat Power Engineering. Subject name is Heat Power Engineering. Subject code C18M402CHP. Third chapter, steam boiler. We discuss about a steam boiler chapter. DME second year, 4 semesters. We discuss about the third chapter, steam boiler. In the previous period, we learn about energy required to form steam. S2 minus H F1 units is kilojoule per kg. Boiler efficiency equal to ms efficiency B is equal to ms H2 minus HW1 by mf into HHV. Boiler HP horsepower ms H2 minus HW1 2256.9 into 15.563. On completion of this period, in today class, numerical problem on performance of boilers. Performance of boiler related numerical problem solved in today class. Numerical problem. Example 1. This is a numerical problem. Performance of boiler is completed in last class. This performance of boiler related numerical problem we discuss about in today class. Example 1. A boiler producing steam which is 0.9995 dry at the rate of 5 kg per second. The water enter the boiler as a temperature of 50 degree centigrade and specific heat capacity is 4.2 kilojoule per kg. The steam leaves the boiler with a pressure of 20 bar. Assuming there are no losses, determine the energy required from the fuels. How much energy is required from the fuels? We solve in this problem. Solution. Solution. Rate of steam generator M0 5 kg per second. Feed water temperature 50 degree centigrade. The energy required from fuel is equal to MT H2 minus HW1, where H2 is equal to enthalpy of steam generated, HW1 equal to enthalpy of steam feed water. Example problem 1. A boiler producing steam which is this 0.95 dry at the rate of 5 kg per second. The water enter the boiler has a temperature of 50 degree centigrade and specific heat capacity 4.2 kilojoule per kg. The steam leaves the boiler with a pressure of 20 bar. Assuming there are no losses, determine the energy required from the fuel. Determine the energy required from the fuel. Solution this problem with solution. Rate of steam generated M0 is equal to 5 kg per second. Feed water temperature 50 degree centigrade. The energy required from fuel MT is equal to H2 minus HW1, where H2 is equal to enthalpy of steam generated. HW1 is equal to enthalpy of feed water. Enthalpy of steam H2 is equal to this equation. Enthalpy of steam H2 is equal to HW2 plus X2L2. H1 is equal to HW1 X1L1. Enthalpy of steam H2. Condition at 20 bar. HW is equal to 908.6 kg per kilojoule per kg. L is equal to 1888.7 kilojoule per kg. S2 is equal to 908.6 plus 0.95 1388.7 2702.9 86 kilojoule kg. Enthalpy of feed water, HW1 is equal to 4.2 into 50 equal to 210 kilojoule kg. Energy required from fuel, this energy is required from the fuels 5 into 2702.86 minus 210 is 12,464.3 kilojoule per kg. Can answer. This is the first problem with this answer. Answer this. H2 minus 5 means m0 into H2 minus HW1. These values are substituted in this equation. We get this 12,464.3 kilojoule per kg answer. This is the first problem is completed. We solve the next second problem. We solve the second problem. In a test on boiler, the following observation were made. Example problem. In a test on boiler, the following observation were made. In a test on boiler, the following observation were made. Coal burnt equal to 500 kg per hour. Coal is burnt 1 hour for 500 kg. HHV of coal 30,700 kilojoule per kg. Water evaporated 73 kg per minute. Feed water temperature 95 degrees centigrade. Calculate the efficiency of the boiler if steam produces dry. Boiler is produce steam, dry produce steam. Calculate the efficiency of the boiler. In the second problem, we solve the second problem. Solution. At 20 bar, H2 is equal to 2,797.2 kilojoule per kg. 95 degrees centigrade HW1 399 kilojoule per kg. Efficiency of boiler MT H2 minus HW1 by MF into HHV. Boiler efficiency of boiler, this is MT value. Substitute these values are in this equation, above equation. We get this boiler efficiency 68.4%. Answer. Second problem is completed. We solve in third problem. Example problem is third. A boiler working at a pressure of 1.4 meganewton per meter square evaporates 9 kg of water per kg. 9 kg of water per kg of fuel burnt from feed water supplied at 45 degrees centigrade. The steam generated is and dry. Find the equivalent evaporation from and at 100 degrees centigrade. We have find in this problem we find the equivalent evaporation from and a 100 degrees centigrade. Solution in third problem. Solution. Mass of steam generated Ma is equal to 9 kg per kg fuels. Pressure P is equal to 1.4 bar meganewton per meter square 14 bar. Feed water temperature 100 degrees centigrade. This value is given to the questions. At 14 bar HW2 830.1 kilojoule per kg. HWT is equal to 1957.7 kilojoule per kg. H2 is equal to HW2 plus L2. H2 is equal to HW2 plus L2. 830.1 plus 0.95. 1957.7, 2689.9 kilojoule per kg. At 45 degree centigrade, SW1 is equal to 188.36 kilojoule kg. Solution: equivalent evaporating. Equivalent evaporating, Me is equal to Ma H2 minus HW1 by L 100. 9 into 2689.9 dash 188.36 by 2000 to 56.9. Yes, substitute these values by equation, we get the 9.975 kg per kg of fuels. Third problem is completed. Next we solve the fourth problem. An example problem in fourth. A boiler plant supplies 5400 kg of steam per hour at pressure is 7.5 bar. Absolute ABS and 0.98 dry. From feed water at 41 centigrade, the boiler uses 670 kg of coal per hour, having calorific value of 31,000 kilojoule per kg. Calorific value of 31,000 kilojoule per kg. Determine the thermal efficiency of boiler. The equivalent evaporation. We determined in this problem the thermal efficiency of boiler, the equivalent evaporation. Mass of steam, MT is equal to 5400 kg per hour. Pressure 7.5 bar. Feed water temperature 410 centigrade. Mass of coal MF 670 kg per hour. Calorific value or heating value 31,000 kilojoule per kg. 31,000 kilojoule per kg. From steam tables, at 7.5 bar, HW2 is equal to 709.3 kilojoule per kg. L2 is equal to 2055.55 kilojoule per kg. At 410 degree centigrade, HW1 to 173.9 kilojoule per kg, where H2 is equal to HW2 plus XL2. HW2 XL2 values are substituted in this equation. We get this 2723.74 kilojoule per kg. From steam tables, these values are taken from the steam tables. Boiler thermal efficiency. Efficiency of the boiler. Boiler thermal efficiency MT. This equation can be written as boiler thermal efficiency. In last class we discussed in this efficiency equation. Boiler thermal efficiency MT H2 minus HW1 by MF into HHP. Efficiency of boiler. Values are substituted in above equation. 5400 to 2723.74 minus 173.9 by 670 into 31,000, 0.663, 66.3% answer. Boiler thermal efficiency is 66.3% answer. Equivalent evaporation. Equivalent evaporation. Me is equal to MTH2 minus HW1 L100. Values are substituted above equation. We get the 6100.9 kg per hour from at 100 degree centigrade. Next, fifth problem. We solved in fifth problem. Example problem. Fifth, a boiler produces steam at 10 bar and 300 degrees centigrade at the rate of 5 tons per hour from water at 30 degrees centigrade. Calculate the boiler horsepower and equivalent evaporation. Calculate the boilers of horsepower and equivalent evaporation. Mass of steam MT is equal to 5 tons per hour is converted tons kg per hour 5000. Pressure P is equal to 10 bar. Temperature of steam T 300 degrees centigrade. Feed water temperature 30 degrees centigrade. At 10 bar 300 degrees centigrade, H2 is equal to 3052.1 kilojoule per kg. At 30 degrees centigrade, SW1 is equal to 125.7 kilojoule per kg. Boiler horsepower equation MT H2 minus HW1 by L100 into 15.563. 5000 into 3052.1 minus 125.7. 2256.9 into 15.563. 416.57 answer. Boiler horsepower efficiency 416.57 answer. Fifth problem. We discuss in fifth problem. Example of fifth problem. A boiler generates 17,250 kg per hour of steam at 20 bar. Pressure is 20 bar and 0.95 dry from feed water at 44 degrees centigrade. The steam leaves the superheater at 325 degrees centigrade. If the efficiency of the unit is 75%, determine the fuel consumption. HHV is equal to 4.25 into 10. Units is kilojoule per kg. And heat transfer in the superheater per kg of steam. And heat transfer in the superheater per kg of steam. Mass of steam MT 17,250 kg per hour. Temperature of feed water 44 degrees centigrade. At 20 bar, HW is equal to 0.908.6 kilojoule per kg. LG is equal to 1888.7 kilojoule per kg. And at 20 bar and 325 degrees centigrade, superheated 3081.8 kilojoule per kg. Enthalpy of water corresponding to 44 degrees centigrade equal to 184.2 kilojoule per kg. Boiler efficiency MT H2 minus HW1 by MF into HHV. This equation, these values are substituted above equation. Mass of fuel MF is 1568.1 kg per hour. This is the answer. Fifth problem answer. Heat transfer in the superheater per kg of steam. H2 minus H wet to 3081.8 is equal to this value 378.9 kilojoule per hour. In this class, Solve problem on performance of a boiler. Solve problem on performance of a boiler. Prepare heat balance sheet for a steam boiler. Prepare heat balance sheet for a steam boiler. A boiler working at a pressure of 1.4 meganewton per meter square evaporates 9 kg of water for kg of water. Kg for kg of fuel burnt from feed water supplied at 45 degrees centigrade. The steam generated is 0.95 dry. Find the equivalent evaporation from and at 100 degrees centigrade. This problem solution: pressure 1.4 meganewton per meter square. 14 bar. Mass is 9 kg of fuel. X0 0.95. Enthalpy of steam at 14 bar 0.95 dry. H2 is equal to HW2 plus XL 2690 kilojoule per kg. Enthalpy of feed water at 45 degree centigrade is equal to 188.4 kilojoule per kg. Equivalent evaporation from and 100 degree centigrade. Equivalent evaporation from and 100 degree centigrade. ME is equal to MTH2 minus HW1 2256.9. 9 into 2690 188.4 by 2256.9. 9.98 kg for kg fuel. First problem is completed. Second problem: a boiler produces 5 tons of steam per hour. Boiler produces 5 tons steams per hour at 12 bar. ABS and 0.9 dry from feed water at 350 degrees centigrade. If the boiler efficiency is 80% and if the fuel is used as a calorific value of 23,000 kilojoule per kg, determine first one, the fuel required per hour. 1 hour how much fuel is required. The percentage saving in fuel if feed water, how much percentage is saving in feed water. Temperature is raised to 80 degrees centigrade by using economizer. Or using economizer, temperature may be supplied 180 degrees centigrade. This second problem. This question solution here: mass of steam MS is equal to 5000 kg per hour. Calorific value of fuel HHV 23,000 kilojoule kg. Boiler efficiency 80%. From steam tables at 12 bar, HW2 is equal to 798.4 kilojoule per kg. L2 is equal to 1984.3 kilojoule per kg. Since H2 is equal to 798.4 plus 0.48 kilojoule kg. Total is 2683.48 kilojoule kg. At 35 degrees centigrade temperature, SW1 is equal to 146.6 kilojoule per kg. 80 degree centigrade HW1 334.9 kilojoule per kg. Boiler efficiency MT H2 minus HW1 MF into HHV. Mass of fuel MF 5000 2683.48 minus 146.6 0.8 23,000 689.37 kg per hour. In this problem, this value mass of fuel is 689.37 kg per hour. This is the answer of this problem. If feed water temperature is 80 degrees centigrade, mass of fuel taken this above equation substitute these values 5000 2683 48 minus 33.4.9 0.8 into 23,000 638.2 kg per hour. Percentage saving in fuel 689. How much percentage saving in fuel? 689.37 minus 638.2 689.37 7.423 percentage of the fuel may be saving. Next problem, the following observation were made on a boiler plant during 1 hour test. Steam pressure 20 bar, steam temperature 260 degrees centigrade, steam generated 37,500 kg. Temperature of water entering the economizer. Temperature of water entering the economizer equal to 15 degrees centigrade. Temperature of water leaving economizer 90 degrees centigrade. Temperature of water leaving the economizer 90 degrees centigrade. Fuel used 44,400 kg. Energy of combustion of fuel 30,000 kilojoule per kg. This question, solve this solution, calculate this equivalent evaporation per kg of fuel, thermal efficiency of plant. In this problem, we have calculated this equivalent evaporation of per kg of fuel, thermal efficiency of the plant, the percentage heat energy of fuel utilized by economizer. How much percentage of the fuels utilized by economizer? We calculate these values. Solution at 20 bar and 260 degrees centigrade. Heat supplied, superheated 2897 kilojoule per kg at 15 degrees centigrade, HF1 62.9 kilojoule per kg. 90 degrees centigrade, HF5 376.9 joule per kg. Mass of steam generated 37,500 by 4,000 8.5 to kg per kg of fuel. Equivalent evaporation MEMT H2 minus HW1 by L 100 8.5 to 2897 as 62.9 2000 to 256.9 10.7 kg per kg of fuel. From where boiler receives heat, it is by combustion of fuels. Coal, oils, gas. How much? It depends on mass of the fuels. How much is depends on its calorific value or heating value of fuels. Mass of fuels and energy supplied to the boiler per kg fuel. This equation can be written MF into HHV. Energy supplied to the boiler kg of fuels for kg of fuels equal to MF into HHV. How this heat is utilized in the boiler? To form steam, some heat lost by flue gases. Heat lost in moisture. Some heat is lost in moisture, some heat is lost in flue gases to form steam. Heat loss due to radiation. Some heat loss is radiation. Depends. Heat utilized to form steam depends on. Heat utilized to form steam depends on. Heat utilized to form steam depends on mass of steam produced, sensible heat of water HW1, final enthalpy of steam, heat utilized to form steam equal to mH2 minus HW1. Heat utilized to form steam. Heat utilized to form steam depends on mass of steam produced, sensible heat of water, final enthalpy of steam. Heat utilized to form steam is equal to m minus HW1. Heat carried away by flue gases depends on. Heat carried away by flue gases depends on mass of flue gases mg, specific heat of flue gases Cp, room temperature Tf, temperature at which flue gases leaves the boiler, temperature at which flue gases leaves the boiler Tg. Heat carried away by flue gases equal to mg into Cp to Tg minus Tf, mg into Cp Tg minus Tf. Heat carried away by flue gases. Heat balance sheet. Heat carried away by flue gases depends on. Heat carried by flue gases depends on mass of flue gases mg, specific heat of flue gases Cp, room temperature Tf, temperature at which flue gases leaves the boiler Tg. Heat carried away by flue gases mg into Cp Tg minus Tf. Heat utilized to form steam depends on mass of steam produced, sensible heat of water HW1, final enthalpy of steam H2, heat utilized to form steam m into H2 minus HW1. Heat balance sheet. Importance. To know how heat is utilized in system. Importance. To know how heat is utilized in system. To locate the source of heat losses. To provide an abstract and performance of boiler in terms thermal energies, thermal energies, in terms of thermal energies. Heat balance sheet. To know how heat is utilized in system. To locate the source of heat losses. To provide an abstract and performance of boiler in terms thermal energies. To provide complete data about heat distribution. Heat in moisture depends on moisture in fuel, composition of fuel, partial pressure of steam in flue gases, room temperature. Heat in moisture depends on moisture in fuel, composition of fuel, partial pressure of steam in flue gases, room temperature. Heat in moisture Moisture formed for kg of oil m1 is equal to 9H2. Heat in moisture m1 H2 power 1 minus Hf power 1, where H2 power 1 is calculated at partial pressure. H2 power 1 is calculated at partial pressure. H2 power 1 H2 Hg2 plus Cp T superheated minus Tg. Hf power 1 is calculated at room temperature. Heat in moisture. Moisture formed for kg of oil m1 is equal to 9H2. Heat in moisture m1 H2 power 1 minus Hf power 1, where H2 power 1 is calculated at partial pressure. H2 power 1 is H2 plus Cp T superheated gas temperature. Hf power 1 is calculated at room temperature. Heat loss to radiation. Heat lost to radiation. Heat lost to radiation. Heat supplied to boiler minus heat to form steam plus heat lost by flue gases plus heat in moisture. Heat lost to radiation equal to heat supplied to boiler minus heat to form steam, heat lost by flue gases, heat in moisture. Heat balance sheet. So heat balance sheet. Balance sheet. Performance of boiler related problem we discuss about in today class. Performance of boiler related problems. Heat supplied kilojoule per kg of coal. Heat distribution, heat in steam kilojoule per kg of coal. A boiler produces 5 tons of steam per hour at 12 bar. Problem is absolute and 0.9 point dry from feed water at 350 degrees centigrade. If the boiler efficiency is 80% and if the fuel is used as a calorific value of 23,000 kilojoule per kg. Determine the fuel required per hour. The percentage saving in fuel if feed water temperature is raised to 80 degrees centigrade by using economizer. Mass of steam ms 5000 kg per hour. Calorific value of HHV 1000 kilojoule per kg. Boiler efficiency 80%. From steam table we have taken this 12 bar HW value is 798.4 kilojoule per kg. L2 is 1984.3 kilojoule per kg. Since H2 is 798.4 plus 0.48 kilojoule per kg, total is 2683.48 kilojoule per kg. At 35 degree centigrade, HW1 146.6 kilojoule per kg. 80 degree centigrade, HW1 334.9 kilojoule per kg. Efficiency of the boiler MTH2 minus HW1 by MF into HHV. Mass of fuel MF is equal to 5000 2683.48, 746.6, 0.8 to 23,000, 689.37 kg per hour. If feed water temperature is 80 degrees centigrade, feed water temperature is 80 degrees centigrade. Mass of fuels, this values are substituted in above equation. Boiler efficiency, these values, (638.2 kg per hour). Percentage saving in fuel, so much. Mass heat carried away by flue gases depends on mass of flue gases mg, specific heat of flue gases Cp, room temperature Tf, temperature at which flue gases leaves the boiler Tg. Heat carried away by flue gases mg into Cp Tg minus Tf. Heat balance sheet. Importance to know how heat is utilized in system, to locate the source of heat losses, to provide an abstract on performance of boiler in terms thermal energies, heat balance sheet, to provide complete data about heat distribution. Heat in moisture depends on moisture in fuel, composition of fuel, partial pressure of steam in flue gases, room temperature. Heat in moisture, moisture form per kg of oil is equal to 9H2. Heat in moisture, H2 power H2 dash HF dash, where H2 dash is calculated at partial pressure, to dash Hg2 plus Cp T superheated minus T temperature of gas. HF dash is calculated at room temperature. Heat lost to radiation, heat lost to radiation, like to this, heat lost to this value. Heat balance sheet. A boiler generates 750 kg of steam per hour at 12 bar, absolute 0.9 dry coal used per hour in 100 kg. If the Cv of the fuel is 30,000 kilojoule per kg, feed water temperature is 50 degrees centigrade. Calculate the efficiency of the boiler. Boiler efficiency, answer 59.37. Answer. A boiler is to produce 6150 kg per hour wet steam at a pressure of 10 bar and dryness fraction of 0.9 from feed water at 45 degrees centigrade if the thermal efficiency is 70%. Determine the fuel consumption rate. The calorific value of fuel used in 42,700 kilojoule per kg, 491 kg per hour. Thermal efficiency of plant. Boiler efficiency MT H2 minus HW1, MF into HHV 8.52 2897 minus 62.9 100 by 3000 80.5%. In today class we discuss about we solve the boiler performance related problems. Today class we solve the numerical problem in boiler performance related. We have discussed on heat balance sheet contain input energy on side and its consumption on. It give clear picture on how heat is consumed. The heat supplied to the boiler, mass of fuel into calorific value, mass of the fuel into calorific value. We have done problem on performance of boiler. In this class we have done problem on performance of boiler. In this today class, this performance of boiler related problem may be asked. Explain heat balance sheet for a boiler. Explain heat balance sheet for a boiler. All of you, thanks. Today class is completed. Today class is over. Thanks for all.